This challenge itself a challenge for me. So hello everyone, so welcome to the series 7-day study vlog challenge. As I'm a person who procrastinates a lot, so this is very difficult for me to do a 21-day study challenge and upload it. Yeah, so that's why I'm starting with 7-day study challenge. Hey, so hello everyone, I'm Priyanka, a final year BSc Nursing student. Exam season without coffee, can't even imagine. Basically, I'm not a coffee person, but this caffeine helps me a lot for my studies. So today I woke up at 7:30 a.m. and after making my bed, I freshen up and take a bath and clean my room. Yesterday मैंने एक to-do list बनाई थी and honestly I am not ready for this hard schedule. But in this time I don't have any options as मेरा दिसंबर से एग्ज़ाम है, फाइनल ईयर का फाइनल एग्ज़ाम. So let's start. It's very difficult to start that motions when you are far away from your studies. So I was deciding to start this series from 6th November. But guess what? भगवान भी नहीं चाहती कि मैं पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करूँ. तो क्या हुआ था, 5 तारीख को हम कॉलेज गए और कॉलेज में बताया गया कि हमारे 6 तारीख को प्रैक्टिकल एग्ज़ाम है, वो भी ऑप्स का. So now I have CHN exam on Monday. So let's start with FAQs as this is the best way to start that motion. So it is the back countdown. I can't even imagine. I have only 24 days. तो जैसे कि मुझे पता था कि पहले दिन स्टार्ट करके मैं 8 घंटा तो नहीं पढ़ सकती. जो भी हो, मैंने 3 घंटा आज पढ़ा है and that's enough for day 1. So at evening, me and my friend recorded a song and I posted it on Instagram. So you can follow me on Instagram to stay connected. See you on next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. যদি ছেড়ে যেতে বলে শহুরে কথা